2027 Lexus GX 550 is already becoming one of the most interesting luxury SUVs to watch. While Lexus has not officially confirmed all of the details surrounding the 2027 model, rumors and speculation suggest that the next version could receive several important updates. Rather than completely changing the character of the GX, Lexus is expected to focus on improving its design, technology, performance, comfort, and off-road capability. Front design. The front of the 2027 Lexus GX 550 could receive a subtle but noticeable refresh. The current generation already has a very aggressive appearance, with a large spindle-style grille, slim LED headlights, a tall hood, and a rugged bumper design. For 2027, Lexus could introduce a redesigned grille pattern with a more sophisticated appearance, while maintaining the bold proportions that define the GX. The headlights could also receive updated LED technology and a sharper lighting signature. New daytime running lights may give the SUV a more recognizable appearance, especially at night. The front bumper could be slightly redesigned as well, potentially improving both aerodynamics and the vehicle's approach angle for off-road driving. There is also speculation that Lexus could offer new exterior colors and additional appearance packages, allowing buyers to choose between a more luxurious road-oriented look and a more aggressive off-road appearance. Rear design. At the rear, the 2027 GX 550 is not expected to receive a completely different body design. The boxy shape and upright rear profile are important parts of the GX identity. However, Lexus could make several smaller changes to give the SUV a fresher appearance. The rear LED lights could receive updated graphics, while the bumper may be redesigned with cleaner lines. The Lexus lettering across the rear could remain one of the vehicle's most recognizable details. New wheel designs and additional exterior trim options could also be introduced. Depending on the trim level, Lexus may offer more rugged styling elements for customers who plan to use the GX in demanding off-road environments. Engine and performance. One of the biggest questions surrounding the 2027 Lexus GX 550 is the powertrain. The current GX 550 uses a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, providing strong power and torque for both highway driving and off-road use. For 2027, Lexus could continue using the twin-turbo V6 while making improvements to efficiency, throttle response, cooling, and engine management. This would allow Lexus to preserve the powerful character of the GEX without making major changes to its mechanical foundation. Another major rumor involves hybrid technology. Lexus has been expanding electrification throughout its lineup, so a more advanced hybrid powertrain could potentially become part of the GX family. A hybrid system could provide additional low-end torque while improving fuel efficiency during everyday driving. This would be particularly interesting for the GX because additional electric torque could also be useful during low-speed off-road driving. However, it remains unclear whether a hybrid version would replace the existing V6 configuration or simply be offered alongside it. The possibility of multiple powertrain options could allow Lexus to target different types of customers. Off-road capability. Off-road performance will likely remain one of the most important characteristics of the 2027 GX 550. Unlike many luxury SUVs that focus primarily on road comfort, the GX is designed to combine premium luxury with serious off-road capability. The four-wheel drive system, terrain management technology, traction control, and hill descent systems could receive software and hardware improvements. Lexus may also refine the vehicle's various drive modes to provide better control on mud, sand, rocks, snow, and other difficult surfaces. For higher performance off-road versions, Lexus could introduce improved suspension components, more aggressive tires, additional underbody protection, and other equipment designed for demanding terrain. The biggest challenge for Lexus will be improving the GX without making it too complicated or sacrificing the rugged mechanical character that has made the model popular. Interior inside the cabin, the 2027 Lexus GX 550 could receive some of its most noticeable upgrades. The current generation already features a much more modern interior than its predecessor, but Lexus is expected to continue improving technology and materials. A larger or higher resolution infotainment display could be introduced, along with faster software and improved smartphone connectivity. Lexus could also update the digital instrument cluster with more customization options, premium materials, improved seat designs, additional ambient lighting, and enhanced cabin insulation could make the GX even more comfortable during long-distance driving. Higher trim levels may continue to offer luxury features such as premium leather or semi-aniline upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic roof options, and advanced interior technology. Technology could become another major focus for the 2027 model. Lexus may introduce a newer generation of its infotainment and connectivity systems, potentially providing faster response times and a more intuitive interface. The SUV could also receive improved voice controls and more advanced smartphone integration. Wireless connectivity and software updates could become increasingly important as Lexus moves toward a more connected vehicle experience. Another interesting possibility is improved camera technology. A 360-degree camera system with higher resolution could make parking easier, while also helping drivers navigate difficult off-road trails. For an SUV designed to travel through narrow trails and challenging terrain, better camera visibility could be more than just a luxury feature. It could become an important part of the GX's off-road technology package. Safety features. The 2027 GX 550 could also receive improvements to its driver assistance systems. Lexus is expected to continue developing features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. More advanced sensors and software could allow these systems to operate more smoothly and accurately. The goal would likely be to make highway driving less tiring while maintaining the driver's control when the vehicle is being used off-road. Wheels and exterior packages. New wheel designs could be introduced for the 2027 model year. Luxury-focused versions could feature larger wheels with sophisticated designs, while off-road-oriented versions could use wheels designed to accommodate more capable all-terrain tires. Lexus could also expand its selection of exterior packages, giving customers more ways to personalize the SUV. A darker appearance package with black exterior trim, dark wheels, and black badging could appeal to buyers looking for a more aggressive appearance, while luxury versions could emphasize chrome or satin finish details. Comfort and ride quality. Although the GX is built for off-road use, Lexus will likely continue improving its on-road comfort. The suspension could be recalibrated to provide a smoother ride without compromising durability. Improved sound insulation could reduce road and wind noise inside the cabin. This would be particularly useful for long highway journeys. The combination of rugged hardware and luxury-oriented suspension tuning is one of the most difficult aspects of developing the GX. Lexus will need to make sure the SUV remains capable on rough terrain while feeling refined on normal roads. Price and availability pricing. For the 2027 Lexus GX 550 has not been officially confirmed, and it will likely vary depending on the market and trim level. If Lexus introduces additional technology, upgraded interior materials, new safety systems, or a hybrid powertrain, the price could increase compared with previous versions. For markets such as the United States and Southeast Asia, Pricing could also vary significantly because of taxes, import regulations, and local specifications. Final thoughts. The 2027 Lexus GX 550 could become an important evolution of the current generation, rather than a completely new SUV. Lexus is unlikely to abandon the boxy design, rugged construction, and off-road capability that define the GX. Instead, the company could focus on making the SUV smarter, more efficient, more comfortable, and more technologically advanced. The biggest mystery remains the powertrain. If Lexus introduces a hybrid system while retaining the strong off-road character of the EEX, the 2027 model could offer an interesting balance between performance, luxury, and efficiency. For now, details about the engine, hybrid technology, exterior updates, interior changes, pricing, and equipment should be treated as rumors until Lexus officially announces the 2027 GX 550. If these rumored upgrades become reality, however, the 2027 Lexus GX 550S could be one of the most capable and technologically advanced luxury off-road SUVs in its segment.